my name's Brooke with WTI, and I have to show you the 7th generation glass cleaner. And it's really nice not to have streaks, especially when you're taking the time and effort to wipe your mirrors, wipe your windows, and that's why I really appreciate this brand. This has a awesome 96% plant-based, so the ingredients in here are really nice and well thought out, and I like that there's no smell. So when I'm using this, I'm not overwhelmed or hit with a strong odor. And I just love the fact that it works so well. Plus, I know I'm not hurting myself with any smells. I don't feel like I'm going to get a headache just because I'm cleaning. This is a great product, and the sprayer, it sprays so easy. It's a lovely spray. There's no puddles streaming forth, but it's just a really great bottle to use, easy to clean, and then you don't have any repercussions with a headache afterwards. And that's my point of view.